In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize frames in Miro. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to enhance your board organization skills, you're in the right place. So let's dive in and get you set up with customized frames. We'll start by navigating to your Miro board. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Frame tool. This generally appears on the toolbar or can be accessed by pressing the F keyboard shortcut. Clicking on this will highlight the frame options available for you. This tool is fundamental as it acts as a visual boundary on your board, much like a page in a presentation or a slide. Next, you'll see an option labeled Frames. Selecting this opens up the Frame menu, allowing you to choose the type of frame you want to create. Click on Create Frame to proceed. You'll notice your cursor changes, indicating that you're ready to draw a frame on the board. Simply click and drag to define the area of your frame. Once you've placed your first frame, it's time to organize your items within. You might notice that some object layers aren't in the correct order. To adjust this, click on the frame's border to reveal its control options. You can then drag any highlighted element within the frame to achieve the desired arrangement. Use the Send to Back command from the right-click menu if you need to reorder layers so that important content is visible and accessories like decorative elements are backgrounded. Adjusting the frame size is straightforward as well. Click on any corner or side of the frame and drag it to resize as needed, ensuring all your content sits comfortably within the boundaries. This is especially useful for maintaining clean layouts and maximizing space usage on your board. To further customize your frame, change its color by selecting the Fill Color option. This allows you to personalize or designate different areas with specific colors for better visual segmentation or theming. It's a subtle touch that can have a significant impact on clarity, especially in collaborative settings where visual hierarchy aids understanding and navigation. If you need to create another frame, you can easily do so by selecting Frames again from the toolbar and clicking Add Frame. A new frame can help you gather another set of elements or create a separate focus area, enhancing board organization. Just as before, draw out your frame. Organize its contents by dragging and sending elements to the back if needed, and adjust the size accordingly. Don't forget to apply a fill color for added clarity. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the arrangement and appearance of your frames and their contents, click Close on the Frame tool to exit. This prevents any accidental changes to your frames while you work on something else. And there you have it. Your frames are created and customized, shaping your Miro board's layout and making sure everything is neatly organized. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both useful and inspiring. Happy Miroing!